Give me my trouser. Give me. What is it?
Papa, what do you want to do? You can't wear it like this, and I can't see it. Wash and wear. You must wash it before you wear it. People will laugh at you. Wash and wear. Papa.
It's more good.
Papa. Please wash and wear.
First time in your life, you made a good point.
Yes, Papa. Wash and wear.
Let me go. Cover the screen for me.
Okay.
Let me.
Like a father, like his son, Mr. Ibu. Ibu and them Ibu. They are very fun, Mr. Ibu. Ibu and them pikin, yo. Ibu. Like a papa, like a pikin, Mr. Ibu. Ibu na waya, oh. Ibu. You go laugh, no be small.
That's what I said.
No, you can wear it. Papa?
There's a lot of water.
No problem. That's the style. Wash and wear. Italian pants. Wash and wear. Papa, where are you going?
Our toast meeting.
Papa, if anybody sees you today, you know that you are an old soldier.
Yes. Thank you.
Old soldier will never die. Papa, you're a guy man.
Yes.
Hi.
I can change my movement.
Yes, guy man.
Push and go inside.
Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa, you're very sweet now. Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa.
There's garlic and soup.
Okay.
You can boil water and make yourself garlic.
No problem.
Then if you like, you finish it.
Okay, sir. Papa, you're not guy man.
How are you? Fine. How's the food?
Thank you. I'm going to our town's meeting.
Yes. Ibu. Oginunka.
What is this?
Wash and wear.
What do you mean by wash and wear?
Sit here now.
Ibu, you are a foolish man. Who told you that wash and wear means you will wash your clothes and wear it immediately without letting it dry?
Papa, forget your time don't pass now. Our time is this. Yes, this is our own time.
Who told you that?
My son said I should wear it.
No. What it means that you should wash your clothes and wear it without ironing it. That will be the meaning of wash and wear. Who is that your son?
No.
More. Is that one a human being or a ghost? More. Please don't turn back and go and dress. Can't you see how